Today on Ready Steady Eat, we are going to make a very famous temple prasad which everyone loves. It is called Payasam. Payasam, which is famously also known as Kheer, is one of the desserts that is made worldwide with a little variation. For the Payasam, we will fry the nuts for garnish. For that, in a pan, we will add 1 teaspoon of ghee, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts and 2 tablespoons of raisins, and fry them lightly until they turn a bit golden, just like this. Now for the Payasam, in another kadai or a deep bottom pan, we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1/3 cup soaked rice. Saute the rice for 2 to 3 minutes. And now add in 4 cups of milk and cook it until it thickens and the rice is cooked. Now let's add in 3/4 cup of coarsely powdered jaggery, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and a few saffron strands, and mix well. Once the jaggery is melted, let's add in fried dry fruits and mix well. Our delicious Payasam is ready. We will garnish it with some fried dry fruits and serve. Don't forget to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.